Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be looking at Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker BBBY. So to get straight into it, obviously we can see we're at $1.70 or kind of $1.65 in the pre-market move. What are kind of key supports and resistances going forward? So what is key to note, 219 or kind of 220 actually, is our statistical mean over on the 6 month. Now this is what is considered fair value, so usually once we come into this level or between these levels, I don't trade it. And what do I mean by between? So we have our other statistical mean, so over on the 1 year at around 17 cents. So really, to me, there is usually no trading opportunity or a trading opportunity which has a good risk to reward trading within this range. So to me, Bed Bath & Beyond under $2.20 is a stock I'm not even personally looking at, because I think there's just too much risk on the table to take a trade in this area. Or to me as well, if I'm trading strictly off technicals, then there is no trading edge for me. So that's not something I'm looking to trade. But if you are, or you're looking for supports, obviously that 220 resistance / support very close to where we are now, and then it would be the 52-week low, the 127, also paired with that psychological level of 125. And if we break lower, $1, obviously that will be a key level, maybe something I look to day trade, but really within this range, I would never be looking to swing trade. I just think there's too much risk on the table. But where really the main trading opportunities are coming, and where I'd be waiting for, is if we can break to the upside at $5.50 and $6. This is our first deviation on the 6 month and the 1 year. Now, when we come into this level, this is where Bed Bath & Beyond starts to become quite overbought. So the way I tend to trade these is play it short. Now, risking outright shares can usually be expensive if it's spiking, but also, these can squeeze. Do you really want to be shorting it as an outright? Because, there can be a lot of risk on the table. So the way I tend to trade these is either buying the outright put, but that's quite rare because the premiums are usually quite high. So the other way I'll look to do it is using either a credit or debit spread, because again, then you can set your kind of desired date, and then as long as it's below that strike, so if you say $5 below $5 in a month's time, you make your max profit. Usually it's a 1-to-1 risk to reward. That's usually how I look to trade these. And I will continue to trade them really going that way going forward. Now, if we break that, we have further levels at $8.70, $12, and $12.35. Again, when these levels are so close, you can kind of use them more as a range. I mean, you can do the same on the 6 to the 5.50. Just using them as a range can just make them a bit easier to trade. If we break higher, $15, $18.50, and $25. Now again, these high levels probably not going to happen unless we get some sort of mega squeeze again. But really, the ones that aren't super unlikely are like we did here, where we kind of just do quite a big move. Again, it would still require a 100% move, but into kind of these first deviations, and you'll tend to see coming into this level, people kind of, if they are bag holding, maybe getting out, but really it's just an area where I look to trade at short bias. And again, if we can push that level, the same trading opportunity as always will arise. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on Bed Bath & Beyond. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.